Well, g'day there. Welcome to this Mark's Reviews and Tutorials video. Super quick one. Sure, email gone down today. Mine went down. Stupid messages, server not responding, incorrect password coming up. Different. I've got two phones and a computer. They were all different across all the platforms, being really stupid. One phone went out a couple of days ago. That's in another city. And then today ours went down. If you've got those symptoms, update your password. The thing that solved it for me, my password had too low a score. Obviously on Webmail, and this was through Roundcube, I'd checked online. They've decided that the score has changed. They've updated that and the system just fell over and stopped working. So I've had a morning trying to fix this. So I'll just give you a quick email so you can fix it. Simply update your password and either put one in that it's happy with the score on, or let it auto-generate, as in, if you're not happy auto-generate, then you want to make one up yourself. Just have to make it up with a high enough score. For me, the WordPress thing had to be over 65. So see how you go. cpanel, sorry. Any of those systems, this could easily be it. So give yourself a new password and you'll be sweet. Have a good day.